Good morning, everyone. Today is a little bit gloomy. It's raining today. So today I had to say goodbye to my Prius. Good morning, good morning. Um, and here's the new car that I got with traded the car, my Prius, my 2010 Prius, plus cash on top of that, of course, with a 93 Civic Sedan. So basically, this is a time capsule. The original owner was, had the car stored in his house for so many years. It's always been this way since 1998 or earlier than that. So yeah, this is it, man. Guys, girls, gals. Um 93 Civic time capsule. Let me do a walk around on this. I'm actually going to do a rebuild and on top of my other builds, my CRX build. So basically a lot of things has to go. Um this has to go. This has to go. I'll probably have the hood stay. So that is I don't want to say the word you know what it is, guys. I don't want to say that word, but anyway, this has to go, the wheels has to go, and yeah, definitely got, that's an M3 mirror. I have a real M3 right there. So um yeah, that's the mirror from a BMW M3, has to go. This big ass wing, it's a VIS wing, has to go. The tail light has to go. um the rear bumper has to go. So everything has to go on this car except the shell that's I cannot remove in the doors. I'll probably paint the side moldings. So yeah, I'm putting it back to factory. I'm not really into this body kit stuff. That's, you know 90s, baby. Anyway, yeah, it's always been this way ever since then. So it was a time capsule, guys. It's, it was the thing back then. But anyway, it has something in the motor a little bit, but I'm gonna remove everything. So, yep, this is it. It has a S2000 seat as well. So, open it up. So I used to have an S2000. My buddy actually bought this for me. The steering wheel has to go as well. And the dash, I'm gonna have to repaint that back to stock color, that is. Other than that, the car is in good shape. It has a cup holder, which is kind of cool. I already put my son's seat in the back. So another build on top of a build. As I need a daily car, that's why I got this as a trade. In the meantime, while I look for a daily car again. Anyway, that's that. Day one of this car, looking like this. Good morning, everybody. So I finally got the Civic, not fixed, but I changed some things when I got it recently. I changed the wheels. I added the little fender because the offset on the wheel is really low, and I got some JDM visors. So basically, I changed the rims, I changed the wheels, put some little fender flares on the front and on the rear, right there, because the offset on this is very, very low, just to compensate because it sticks out. I left the front bumper alone. I changed that to the factory, and then I left the hood. It looks okay. And then I got some real Honda visor, some real JDM visor. It's my daily beat, so I'm not looking to anything fast, but it's, for daily. I removed the rear bumper. Because it had that aftermarket bumper, so I removed it and I left it alone. I removed the exhaust in it and I put that's a factory Prius exhaust that I had it custom made. It came from a 2010 Prius
That way it's a little bit quieter. So that's that rim that I was talking about to compensate with the, you know, with the offset. That way it's flush with it, as you can see. It's a little bit flush. Anyway, this is it. So this is the outcome of that Civic that I got long time ago. Sorry guys, everything is dirty. I removed the wing on the rear. As you can see, I put a black little tape for now until I find a white one. So this is the daily beater. It's lower than progressive spring and KYB shocks. I need to clean it up, and that's that. So that's the aftermath of the Civic. So came out okay. I got some track lights. I forgot the offset. And then it had some Toyo tires on it. So if you guys are wondering what the offset, I will remove the rim later on. And this has a, what does it have? 195, 45, 15. So that's that. Some real JDM visor that's dirty. I need to clean the car. This is made by Honda, by the way. So hard to find. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I gotta replace this. I forgot to put the other one on. So the other one hit that factory. I need to put the factory back. Alright, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed my transformation. And this car is not really a transformation. I just want to put it back to the way, to my liking. Not so much of that, the other. I don't know if I should get the factory bumper, but I purposely removed the rear bumper. I didn't want to put it back, just in case some, I parked the car in the street and someone backed up to it and I don't get any dents or anything. Anyway, gotta clean up the car. This is it. 93 Civic.